have the Open Gates Quilt Box. Let's open it up, see what we get. I might get in it. Quilt box, stickers, tissue. Project 1 is traveling through quilt. It includes fabric for top and binding, featuring low-key fabric by Clothworks, full color pattern by pattern and pictures. Okay, so that is traveling through. Oh, look how cute. You can see right now it's got the yeah, and that's the pattern. Look at this closer. I promise. Project 2, Box It Up Notions box. Here's our fabric for this. It's 3 3/4 inch. It includes Love Struck Fat Quarter by Paintbrush Studio, fusible fleece, full color pattern. And there we go with that. And it has little pockets running on the outside. Love it. We're gonna look at that one too. We also get a notion of the month. It's Prim Love Point Turner. I used one of these that wasn't as colorful. I love this one. I like that size. We also get Aurifil 50 weight. It's gray. And we get a back quarters, Love Struck by Paintbrush Studio. So this actually coordinates with this. Let's see, this month you get 2 back quarters. You can use both for the Notions box or use one and save the other for another project, or you can make 2. All right, let's get into our fabrics here. And I am going to make these projects and do another video on those shortly. Look how cute that is. Let's open it up and see a little more of that. Okay, and this is the other one. Looks like it's just a different colorway, but the same fabric. There we go with that. Okay, we have Pellon in here. We have the pattern and pictures, just like she said. So that is for the little box. And then the quilt, what is this? Traveling through, yeah, the quilt, sorry. Here's the pattern and directions, or picture in the pattern. Okay, so we have black fabric. Not sure how much, but that's a pretty good sized piece. And these look like fat eighths, or an 1/8 of a yard. Let's see, does it tell me? 7 inches. This is, oh, they're all different. All right, we won't worry about the size of these because I don't know how long my battery is going to last. But you see all the differences on these? Wow, look how cute. So this will be fun. It's going to look like old postcards. And I can see the overall look. That's pretty. And here's the stamp. This is the one that's a little bit more fabric. Okay. Look at all the things. Look at all the things. Okay, so here's our Box It Up pattern and the fabric for that. There. There's that. And all this goes with this. We get this, we get this, and then a bonus fat quarter. Let me know what you think about this. The information to look into this will be in the links below. This is not always available, so I don't know if they have openings right now, but check into that and let me know what you think about it. Thanks, guys. Bye.